Next, I want to show you how to import and export settings. To import and export settings, click on System and then on Export Import. Here you'll find the Export Import page. To export your settings, click on the Export Settings button. This will create a settings.swm file, which you can save on your computer. To import your settings, click on Browse and choose the settings SWM file. This will load all your settings and connections. Now click on Import and database import successfully if everything was okay.